Hi everybody, it's crazy, it's Monday, and it's time for the UPBGE video of the week. Now before I get started, gotta give a shout out to my trusted because you guys rock. To my crazy fam, I love you guys. Now, we're up to episode number 89, and we left off last week with a useful fragment shader. Now we're doing coding, so if you're not comfortable with this, then you can read forward, bypass this, or just let us do what we were doing and just pretend that you're following along. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, we left off last week with this code here, but what we're going to do is we're going to change it. Okay, a lot of it's going to change. It's not just going to be this. Okay, it's going to be a lot more so than just this, because this really doesn't work. Okay, so let's get started. A useful fragment shader. The first GLSL shader you are introduced to is pretty trivial and nearly useless. Here's a much more useful Lambert diffuse shader. Okay, I'm gonna switch over here to where you can see it again. Okay, that's just right here, just a whole bunch of code right here. Now you can just highlight and copy and paste it over, because all we're gonna do is we're gonna come over to this one and we're gonna get rid of all this. We're just gonna hit backspace and say bye-bye. Okay, and the best thing to do is just go ahead and just copy this over if you don't want to do all the extra typing. Okay, I'm going to do that today because I am short of time today. So I'm going to, and it does not put it in correctly. Guess not. Okay, so let's try a different way. Okay, so I'm going to have to do it line by line. So Control C, Control B. No, I have to do it like that. All right, so I guess you're going to have to type it in. Backspace. So from BGE import logic. Now we'll probably just go ahead and do the code today, and then next week work on the explanation. Okay, our shader object. Did I type it in wrong? Yes, I did. Shader object equals logic dot get current scene. And I am a typo king, so please bear with me. I will screw up a lot. Objects. And then monkey colon, oops, backspace. Let's try that again. Monkey. Okay. Okay, and we hit enter. Hit lamp. Lamp equals logic dot get current scene dot objects, and then we do the little brackets again, main light quotes and bar bracket again. Okay, so you know what that is. If you've done anything with coding, you'll know what that's for. Okay, vertex shader, vertex shader equals, and now you're going to do the 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, hang on, hold on, sorry. 1, 2, 3. It really don't matter. You can use those. Okay, it is possible to use those. Uniform vec 3 light underscore position, and then that. I still don't know what those are, and I've been playing with her for a while. Varying vec 3 light underscore vec. Vec means vector. If you are curious to what vec means, that's exactly what it means. Varying vec 3, which is vector 3, normal underscore vector. Okay, so that gets you that part. And then you're going to do void main and enter vec 3 vert, which is vertice, equals GL underscore mode view. Make sure you use capitals here, what they call camel case. Ricks. Hold on, I'm typing all this right. I'm not even looking up there, y'all. So bear with me if you're looking at it seeing the wrong stuff. You know, I'll fix it here in a minute. Okay, so GL underscore vertex. Make sure you capitalize the V. Okay, put a bracket on the end. Dot X, Y, and Z. Put your little thing on there again. Like that. Underscore vec. There we go. See, like vec equals. Same thing. GL underscore mode view matrix. View matrix times vec4. You know, if you're getting into coding, you'll understand what the vec4, vec3 is. I'm not going to go into detail of it here because it would take up far too much time. 0 colon. Okay, just make sure that you have your colon here. That's a closed bracket, and that's a closed bracket, which closes the rest of it. Okay, make sure you have those. Dot XYZ PDQ vert. Yeah, I mean, a lot of you old schoolers, your Gen Xers might know that one. Equals, hopefully not equals GL backslash, that would be, where's that one at? There. And backslash underscore capital normal matrix star GL underscore small and then GL underscore position, TION, spell it right, crazy, spell it right, F transform, and then your brackets and your little dealio, and then come back up here and hit that one, okay? And then you're going to hit return one more time, and you're going to do your 3 quotation marks. Okay, and then we'll have the fragment shader. So I type in fragment shader equals quote 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 varying vec3 light underscore vec and beep. Okay, and then varying vec3 normal underscore vec, and then bring that there. Okay, and then give yourself an enter, then hit void, not voice, and main. And if you're following the book and you're already ahead of me, congratulations, because I am the slow typoist. Okay, vec3, and that is an L. Okay, so that way you all know if you're looking in the book. Normal. L is for light. Well, eyes. And light underscore vec. And then that. And then one more time. Vec 3. This one's going to be N equals normalize. Normal. Underscore vec. And then float n dot L equals clamp dot n comma L bracket comma 0.0 comma 1.0 bracket, and give yourself a thing at the end, give yourself a space. Vec for color equals n dot L times vec for 1.0 comma 1.0 comma 1.0. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Comma 1.0, because I've been known to screw things up. Okay, and we're almost there, guys. Almost there. Okay, so we got GL underscore frag color equals color. Give yourself a little curly bracket. Give yourself your little, little curly bracket. And then, 1, 2, 3, back down. And then you're going to hit mesh equals shader object dot meshes 0. Okay, and then hit enter for material in mesh dot materials. Hit colon to make sure you don't forget the colon on that one, because it's going to give you that space. You can hit shader equals material dot get shader. Hit enter if shader does not equal none colon, and if not shader dot is valid. Okay, we're going to create one. Shader dot set source vertex shader comma fragment shader, okay, comma 1. Okay, hit enter. You're going to take a step back to the first one. You're going to hit shader dot set uniform FV, and then you're going to hit one of the little quotes, not the double quotes, single quote, light underscore position, and do the same quote, lamp dot position. There we go. We got it right that time. End quote. Okay, so that is your shader. Okay, now if you don't have all this, you can get it from the book. Okay, get it from the book, or you can just follow it through here. So I'm going to leave it off with that today. And that's how we're going to leave it off for this week. We ended on page 46. And we'll continue on that page next week with the explanation of how this is all broke down. Till next week.